Hi, this is Keith All and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about another tool that we could use to make money with the Builderall platform. And today we're going to be talking about the website agency. So if you're in your back office, if you're already a member, but in case you're not, and if you want to learn more about Builderall, there will be a link in the description for you to find out more. Specifically, there'll be a link to the Builderall magazine, and that's another tool that you can make money with in one of my previous videos. And if you sign up under that link, you'll get the latest digital copy of our Builderall magazine. And you can see how beautiful that the content is and how easy it is for you to navigate through the Builderall magazine, and it'll tell you everything you want to know. Anyways, but here in the dashboard, there's a button up here that allows you to find answers to your questions. So if you want to learn how to use any one of these tools, a great way to do that is click on the new knowledge base button. It opens up a new window, and all you have to do is just type in your query here, and it should bring back links that could possibly answer your question. Also, in the knowledge base, on the front page of this knowledge base, you could click on any one of these links that will direct you to our Facebook groups for more support. So let's type in website agency. So getting started with a web agency. So you can either type in web agency or website agency. It should come up. Now on here, it's gonna walk you through how to create a web agency sub-account, and it's gonna walk you through everything you need to do to set this up. Now, what would be a web agency sub-account? Basically, let's say that you find a client through various different methods of acquiring customers, and they don't want to deal with building a website. They don't want to deal with the hassle of making changes to it and everything else. So basically, they hire you. So what you could do is create a sub-account under your account within Builderall, and Builderall will charge you $5, but then you turn around and charge a monthly fee to your customer to not only build their website for them, but also manage their website for them every single month. So in other words, you get a monthly hosting fee from them. And their suggestion would be to start with a $20 monthly fee, and then you build out their website, and you manage it for them, so you can service it for them every single month, because there are people out there that just don't want to deal with all this creating a website themselves and learning a new tool and stuff like that. Just think about this. Let's talk about, at the time when I grew up, we didn't have oil changes franchises around. I changed my own oil on my car, but once oil changes places started popping up, I says, even though I could do it myself, I don't want to take the time not necessarily every single month. It depends on how often you drive, but it could take maybe every 3 months before you accumulate 3,000 to 5,000 miles on your car, and then you have to change your oil. So in other words, what I'm trying to point out is there are people and businesses out there that don't want to build a website, don't want to make changes to it every single month, and they just rather have someone else do it for them. Just like what I suggested about changing the oil on your car. Even though you could do it yourself, you may not want to take the time to do it yourself. So you pay someone else to take care of it for you. And this is another way that you can make money with Builderall. So basically, again, in a nutshell, Builderall will charge you as a Builderall member $5 to create this website. Then you turn around and charge your customer $20 or more per month hosting fee. And what you include in that is basically you make changes for them. You can add on other services and stuff like that that will justify the monthly cost to them. And this is what you get with a web agency. You get 500 megabytes of disk space storage, 1 domain connection, 5 subdomain connections, the Cheetah website builder, a CRM, a mailing boss which is our autoresponder with up to 2,000 subscribers, professional emails app is included, and no option to extend or increase domain connections and storage. So again, this is a great way to make money with Builderall. Just dive into this tool and learn the tools necessary. You don't have to learn all of them, but they are available there for you. And specialize in a few of them, and you can make money every single month doing this online. It's a great way to increase your skill set. So again, this is another way. Look forward to another video on another tool within the Builderall platform to earn money with. So I appreciate you stopping by today. Take care, and remember to like, share, and comment. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.